Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Lord Shiva said, "My dear Father Brahma, I do not mind the offences created by the demigods. Because these demigods are childish and less intelligent, I do not take a serious view of their offences, and I have punished them only in order to right them. There are two types of punishment. One is that which a conqueror imposes on an enemy, and the other is like that a father imposes on his son. There is a gulf of difference between these two kinds of punishment. Lord Shiva is by nature a Vaishnava, a great devotee, and his name in this connection is Ashutosha. He is always satisfied, and therefore he did not become angry as if he were an enemy. He is not inimical to any living entity. Rather, he always wishes the welfare of all. Whenever he chastises a person, it is just like a father's punishment of his son. Lord Shiva is like a father because he never takes seriously any offence by any living entities, especially the demigods.